Hey guys, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of how to use Sunpump.meme. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so I'm over at the official website of Sunpump.meme. Sunpump.meme was created as a part of a meme coin platform on the Tron blockchain. This platform was introduced by Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, as a way to boost the creation of meme coins on the network. And as the time of the recording here, Sunpump has quickly gained popularity, outperforming similar platforms like Solana's Pump.fm in terms of the number of tokens launched and the overall revenue generated. But in saying that, let's just go through how to use this site. So as you can see, this is the official site and I'm signed in. So to sign in, what you need to do is get an extension called TronLink. I've made a video of how to download and install TronLink in your extensions and then how to create an account as well. And once you've done that, you want to connect your extension to Sunpump.meme. So it will say connect and then connect. Once you're inside, make sure you've got some Tron to buy different tokens or coins inside here. So to search for tokens, if you've got any tokens in mind, you can simply search here. You can filter by the launch time, trading volume, market cap, 24-hour price increase, and also you can check if it's listed on Sunswap as well. And now if we go into one of these cryptos, one of these tokens, I'm going to go to the bulls. This has had quite a good run recently, and then it'll give you some more stats on it. So it gives it your price, how much percent it is up, the market cap at the moment is bulls at 13 million, the liquidity, the 24-hour volume, and when the token was created. So this is created 24 hours ago and it's up, what is it, 258,000%. That is quite extraordinary if you ask me. And it's got a bonding curve progress. Obviously it's hit the 100%, and bonding curve progress is when the market cap reaches $80,000, all the liquidity from the bonding curve will be deposited into Sunswap and burned. Progression increases as the price go up. So if I go back here and where it says the first meme fair launch platform on Tron, pump to the sun, if I click on how it works. So this is a quick rundown of how it works. So there's no pre-sales and no team allocation, and it's secure and verifiable token contract. So step one, so pick a token that you like. Step two, buy the token on the bonding curve. You can sell at any time to lock in your profit or losses. Step four, when enough people buy on the bonding curve, as I said before, if it reaches a market cap 69,000, it does vary. I've noticed these tokens or coins, if it's like 69,000 or 80,000. And step five, 12,000 of TRX liquidity is then deposited in Sunswap and burnt. So that's a quick rundown of how it works. Yeah, so if we go back into this token here, bulls, if you want to buy one, you got a buy button here. So enter the amount. As you can see, my balance at 6.29 TRX. I'm just going to put one in here, and then I can click trade. Trade means buy. Or likewise, if I've got any of this I want to sell, I'm going to click on sell, and then enter the amount you'd like to sell. So I've got 11 bulls in here. So if I want to sell 11, I'm going to click approve token. And now, as I mentioned earlier, you got the extension here of TronLink. So I'm going to click on open up TronLink. You can see my assets and how much money I've got at the moment. So if you want to buy any stuff here in Sunpump, you need to send money from either Binance, Bybit, or any one of those exchanges. And you can only swap over TRX, USDD, or USDT. So swap over. So you want to click receive money, copy this link here, paste it in, and then send money over to your extension browser, TronLink, and then from there you've got money to buy tokens inside Sunpump.meme.